Hi guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair. I showed you how to apply it and everything like that. This is actually a closure, not a frontal. I hope this is not showing up ghostly because I just put some powder. But yeah, this is actually a closure, not a frontal. So I'm going to show you guys how to make your closure look like a frontal because closures are cheaper, so it saves you money. This is a regular standard size closure because if most of you know, they do have closures that are bigger now. This is like just the regular size closure, and I finessed it to look like a frontal. Of course it doesn't go all the way across, but who needs to be doing all that extra work? So stay tuned if you guys want to see how I did this style and got the hair like this and everything like that. So first off, this is the wig that I made. This is the Wiggins Hair. I'll tell y'all all the specs, you know, in the video, but this is the wig that I made. I did use a closure, not a frontal. So this is how the closure looks. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do a side part and make it look like a frontal. So yeah. So instead of just having music, I decided, y'all probably just want to hear me talk, so I'm gonna just do a little talk through for y'all. So I'm just putting the wig on my head, and then I'm gonna shift it over to the side because previously it was in a middle part, so that's why it already has like a part in the middle. So once I push it to the side, then I'm gonna go ahead and make a new part and go ahead and use my hot comb to flatten out the part so that it can lay nice and flush. And this hair is so pretty, y'all. I really love this hair. So I'm going to take my Got To Be hair gel, and I'm just going to put that on the perimeter of my hair where I want the lace to stick down it. And it's so much faster than applying a frontal, because a frontal goes all the way across, of course, but the closure is just in the general area. So I'm just using the gel, and then I'm also going to use the hairspray as well to go on top of it just to make it even more tacky and really stick down really good. And after you do this, you can blow dry it for a second or kind of fan it with your hand and let it dry for a minute. Don't just stick it straight on. That's not what I did, but you know, we jumped to the clip of me actually putting the lace on. So you want it to be tacky before you do this, and then just stick it right on. And I'm raising up those baby hairs that were previously laid from the middle part so that they don't stick to the gel, because you know, we have to go back in and lay our baby hairs the way that we want them with the new part and style that we have created. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of layers into the hair just because it is a side part, and I didn't want the bang area to just be long like how it was. And I didn't cut any layers previously with my middle part, so I'm just doing a little bit of layers now. And it's not anything crazy, so you can always switch the hair back over and wear it in a middle part or however you want to, because it's not really like I'm cutting the hair in a style, just a light little bit of layering. And then I'm using my blow dryer to go ahead and make sure that everything is tacked down really good. And then I'm going to start creating my baby hairs. So this is pretty much how I do my baby hairs if I am wearing a frontal with a side part or whatever. I don't know what's going on with the light, but it looks like it's kind of flashing on my head a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm just doing my baby hairs and everything like that. And then I'm going to also get some powder and put it in my part so that the part can stand out even more. And I also put a little bit of powder in the front of the hair a little bit, and I didn't go back in with my mousse to cover it. That's why it looks kind of ghostly at the beginning, but don't worry about that. It fades away after a minute. So yeah, I'm just brushing some mousse into the parting area like I should have did with the rest of it, but I didn't. And then I'm going to go ahead and start spraying the hair down to get it to curl up the way that it does. Just need some water, honey, and you good to go. So I'm just putting in a little bit of water and scrunching it up. I have already put conditioner in this hair prior to, which is why I didn't use any type of leave-in because I'm just kind of misting the top section again just to define it where we have combed it out and stuff like that to create the new part. And y'all can see this hair is so pretty. So that's how it looks while it's wet, and on camera it was still kind of wet, but if you follow me on Snapchat, then of course you've probably seen it when it's dry, and that's where you can see a lot of my behind the scenes stuff. So this is how the hair looks, so long and very, very pretty. Okay, y'all, so this hair is from Wiggins Hair. I got interrupted with a phone call, so let's just start this thing over. So this hair is the loose deep hair, and this hair is 24, 26, 28, 28, and a 20-inch lace closure that we got laid like a frontal. The hair is still a little wet because once it dries, I want to kind of push this up, you know, like how I do whenever I'm wearing wand curls and stuff. But I just finessed it and did a side part on it. I feel like you really can see, you know, the closure or the frontal of it, if you will. But I was wearing it in a middle part previously, but I just wanted to try out something different. I do a middle part a lot, so I just wanted to do a side part. But yeah, that is the specs on this hair. And also, you guys can save $10 off if you use the code Kooch. I will put the information down below for you guys. So yeah, that's the hair that I have and everything like that. And I believe this is the Peruvian or Brazilian. I'm not 100% sure. So this is how the hair looks. I really like the curl or the wave on it. It's very pretty. And the hair is 28 inches. This is how the hair comes on me. It's quite long. So yeah, I think this hair is really pretty. I love the curl and the wave of it. Okay, guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it on how I did this. Sorry I look regular, but this is what I'm giving today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Tell your friend, tell a friend. Y'all know all of that good tea, all of that good tea. So yeah, all of that, and thank you guys for watching. I don't know. Bye guys, love ya.